When it comes to floor safety and stability, there have historically been two options. On one end of the spectrum, we have conventional mats. And while mats offer flexibility, increased stability can only be achieved by making them heavier, thicker, and bulkier. The second and more costly option is installed flooring, a much more permanent approach than many environments require. The Milliken team knew there had to be a better solution, one that could outperform conventional mats without the cost of installed flooring. So we tore everything we knew about mats apart. The result? An entirely new category of flooring, made possible by a new technology, which is now on the market as a revolutionary new product. D2 is the first product in Milliken's new convertible flooring category. This breakthrough two-part system converts passive floor surfaces into active, advanced anchored-in-place solutions. It's an entirely new way to create safer, cleaner environments, and it's how D2 does what mats can't. It finally optimizes function, design, and cost, without question or compromise. How? With Adaptex Active Surface Technology. This patent-pending technology actively locks the top and base together. Once paired, the lightweight top stays put, yet easily lifts off for cleaning. Leveraging Adaptex, D2's two-part dynamic design can finally deliver the flexibility of conventional mats with the stability of installed flooring. Easy to deploy, clean, and maintain, D2 placements lock down. They won't move, shift, or migrate, maximizing both stability and design. The first product of its kind, the low-profile lay-flat design minimizes slip, trip, and fall risks and enhances the overall aesthetic of any space. D2 placements are anchored for stability. They will not move. They feature lightweight tops, up to 50% lighter than conventional mats. They install as a thin, flat system that diminishes kickup and fits safely and seamlessly into any space. And they allow for modular design, making D2 fully customizable and configurable for any size space and environment. D2 has quickly proven to be the best solution across a wide range of applications, from big box and grocery to offices and small retail. With D2, there is no more compromise. Stylish design and safe, stable performance delivered.